With the cherry blossoms, blooming trees, flowers, and green grass, January's winter snowstorm is probably just a distant memory for most of us, but it's still in the mind of Baltimore's Department of Transportation Director Veronica McBeth.
So there was about 11 inches of snow and about 3.5 to 4 inches of ice that froze on top of it, coupled with about 2 weeks of below freezing temperatures. So it made it what they called snowcrete.
These dark gray mounds piled up at Old Town Mall, Pimlico Racecourse, and other places are reminders of what happened just a few months ago. It's surprising some of the trash and debris found in this snow debris, like a car wheel and tires, a lime scooter, and plenty of these flex posts, normally located on Baltimore streets to help calm and slow down traffic. They're buried in the rubble. When the city brought in a snow melter, McBeth says she found some of the posts in the machine's trash bin.
And I myself pulled close to about 25 flex posts out.
The city says an estimated 600 are missing, damaged, or destroyed. Each one costs around $40 for the post and base. So right now the total replacement cost from the storm is about $24,000. We watched as this crew replaced posts at East Lombard and Grundy streets. They also replaced a missing "Stop Here for Pedestrian" sign. Each of these signs cost $225 and another $77 for the base and hardware kit.
It's substantial. It's pretty substantial. The good part is you know, we have the inventory to replace it, and we have the staff that's out there working daily to make sure that they are out there replacing it.
Bob Noren lives in Hamilton. He also saw the work.
They get destroyed by cars diving into the last one when they turn the corner. That's what destroys them up there, you know, Hartford Road. At first I thought it was a nuisance, but it actually helps you because it shows you where you can and can't go.
McBeth says all of this is about safety for drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians. That includes filling potholes and repaving storm-damaged roadways. Now, we did find some flex posts that didn't seem so bad. We asked if they could be repaired and reused. This is what the Department of Transportation told us about that.
I don't think we're going to recover them. I think they're probably going to go to the flex post graveyard, and you know, we'll say our goodbyes.
McBeth says some are cracked and the bases are broken, so they can't be reattached or fixed. And one more note on those snow mounds. Heavy machinery is again moving them around
To spread it out to help it melt.
Otherwise, we could still see it into June and July. For WBAL-TV 11 News Investigates, I'm Barry Sims.